Today I'm going to teach you how to play Goodbye Yesterday by Elevation Worship in any key. Because I want you to play the song in any key, I'll be using the number system. If the number system is new to you, I'll have charts on the screen showing each song key and what the numbers are for that key. So for example, if you wanted to play the song in the key of G, when I play a 5, you would play a D. If you want to play the song in the key of C, which is what I'll be demonstrating in because it's easiest for beginners, then when I play 5, you would play a G. Throughout this video, I'll have a chord chart displayed in the key of C. This chord chart is linked in the description and also includes a number chart that you can use if you're playing in any other key. If you don't have the numbers of your key memorized, you may want to take a second to jot down the notes of the numbers that correspond to the key that you're in. I'll be using my Ableton Worship Keys template, which has a grand piano, pad, octave piano, and synth, which will all be displayed on the screen, and you'll see them being adjusted as I move the knobs on my MIDI keyboard. If you like the sound of these tones or want to see how it works, I'll have my Worship Keys template linked in the description below. Alright, without further ado, let's get into it. If you are newer to worship piano and want to fast track your learning, I just launched a brand new worship piano online course. This course takes you through all of the concepts you need to go from beginner to on a worship team fast and simple. Click here to check that out.